Koya nimne yenhwe de ekro. Abusiamfo papa bi Mami Monica Mwakwaba. Papa bi osi efe ne Yaw Boaben Asamoah. Hey, Asemo. Empanfo ne binum timi nyini gya omo adwen wo akiri pa. Eya na eya. Na Yaw Boaben Asamoah amama hu se nsem bi adabi ken ne Japan ka fa ne ho. He was right then. Because Yaw Boaben Asamoah a minim no na nkenim so ye intellectual wanyini na ntwene mu to. Nanso ensem bia papa ya kana na ano de amoya hu se papa no oye nipa bia de kana Japan kache no so oye waste as a human being in the MPP no na ye no korepa na ansa na mesha ase na ma bie ensem mu no ye ni kan na ye nti asema Yaw Boaben Asamoah e kan ye nti
I did a competition. Who per competition? You can find a didn't be see so. Oh, yeah, and this in me. You got tablet in the best use. About your this. Oh,
Vice President running for 8 years. Vice President for 8 years.
Before that was see, he had to wave. He had nothing to do with this. He had to wave Nana paint. Yes, Simon. He said, be here. Has she declared for the MPP? Does she have an MPP card? She comes from a PNC family.
But it is
her family has remained PNC. No, ask her. Ask if they have she has an MPP card. Ask her. Because her family is PNC. Her family never changed.
Of course, her family never changed. I know that.
And one of her family is NDC.
I know that.
And her husband, the leader who ran the MPP in the last election, has NDC roots, antecedents. That is politics. So,
the fact that the family
okay. Answers my question.
Doesn't make him an NDC man. All right, so between
the fact say MPP for who say they are freedom based does not mean that UP belongs to them.
For Yaw Boaben Asamoah papa we ya otu a okasai. We didn't hold your power, to be honest, because Papa we under the MPP administration and ne I don't know for the dear anymore. Dr. Bawumia a vice no Papa we on your benefit pa he was appointed as the communication director for the MPP. In fact, Sa Papa we otuhui Sa Papa we otuhui and namnesuna MPP communication network, Ebrikie, very wasted sperm. Listen to me very well. Very wasted human being. Papa we ya breso, enana MPP ana obiaji tumu yese. Ye can in communication, the MPP communication network, is strong and the most vibrant ever in the history of the Ghana politics, you know. Sa kwa we yo ti o kan kwasi asem we no. Ono and the money break here. Now we ask no who. I don't know. Sa kwa we. In 2016, this foolish man was appointed as spokesperson for Dr. Bawumia Osoye Hoho. Tiemiye pa. Sa Jimmy for we ought to way, Papa we him as a kusia ya boni eja. We are getting no way free in the bomb. Papa we. She said, I don't know what is wrong with some of these men because sometimes I don't want to be harsh. But omu pushi me metrasi ane kikime. I have to talk with harsh words. Sa kwa we yo. What to me accept it. Say obeyo ohuhu no kana sem no ne kasa maafo. Sa papa we osi oye oye founder anaso ye MPP ni kese ye de MPP twa na furu from 2008 up to 2016 that's Samira Bawumia and the whole country across the length and the strength of the country na oye campaign na esombo Edema MPP winning election 2016 na Yaw Boaben Asamoah ebenya tumi di ni 1 PP mu no. Papa wei ni wure firi. Yaw Boaben ma. Bibisa say, Mumisa Yaw Boaben Asamoah ma me say, who is a party member? Party member, enene alana, our party membership card. Sabio, what done a whole snake under grass yana? Yaw Boaben Asamoah. Party member any been to say, wo Yaw Boaben Asamoah, Papa Panini. I yet me board communication director for a party in government. And I'm so kita Ghana card. Now we know what Juma ye. Now break the communication network our party num. And then it says we a party member and now say obia only party card said you walking. And I say mpona busu yamfo nyina ye another party members. Na otu ne ho si ho. Eye jumaden edema party ndi nkunim. Between you, foolish asshole. Foolish asshole like you. Between you. Ene Samira Bawumia. Ana Dr. Lahaji Muhammad Bawumia. Ani campaign strategy. Ene bubu. John Darigadra Mani Mahama Napre in 2016. Ema ye to abatiano with over 1.5 million votes against him no. One no. Why any young people ni? Yaw Boaben Asamoah. Ewo Ghana mram. Se ukotena obi ajapadiem emfiedu. Now you're constant stable. Ewo ho. Na efiewura uncontested. Efiewura an appear mind say ono na ye the owner of the house na wampamu wa mfiri ho. Na wantre wamfa wamafie ho me declare say fie ni ene there for 10 years automatically. Fie ni be ye fie enipa na otimu no there. And how much more 19 years in serving the MPP? Dr. Bawumia. Now, it is some of you, this foolish man. And I'm also, and again, I mind yourself now, you be because in Kamanyo sem there, and Faho, any wabusia, a man you call Mudiachide. Memeti way, met me a young Disney. Minya bema, minya ba bin sube tumi ya MPP ni. Sanso na me metumi ya MPP ni. Na bia me maame oya NDC ni. Ene de mfa ho, it is about what you believe. And how can a man like you obi a wadidi politics mu afu ebo wonima ne kese ebe te se da asene. Wafu ebo wonim ne kese ebe se da asene ye MPP hu sika na odi adidi agum. Ama wafu hu te say na politics na wadidi hu amepemene. How can such a stupid and reckless and a discriminatory statement comes from your fucking bogus mouth? Papa you nante say wosa. Papa we babia wanyina duru what Jimmy says hopes na do 70 times. Because hopes na do ye there ye nim so ye NDC ni e no friend NDC van PP e na enne wasande na ho twetwe MPP NDC e na wasan so di UP achi UP plus achi on ye nim so ye political prostitute. But you ba Yaw Boaben Asamoah ye nim so ye MPP ni pa, and MPP does not accept such a stupid comment. Now we will be a now we communication director. Now your party vice president, any Dr. Bawumia, you didn't see nothing wrong with it. And Nadia, to me be a obi penti, nipo di watem, me beboni video at no kwa no fasu di watem. To me or no penti no, you are out there calling obia. What general campaign platform so from firma akuma dunsia timi bejina bonten friends or ye outsider or ye frafre or ye be kan saying or ye manfrafo e wo party Yaw Boaben Asamoah. The constitution of the MPP was our kind of that because they say I'm doubting. Me to me Jimmy watching yes mpono say MPP constitution no. So what kind of that me Jimmy watching je? Because the MPP constitution actually say a flag better. Kwa before so beto abedi flag better and say I was saying we a party member for 5 years. Now we are obia usune buying reflected as an MPP person. Now what do huni ewo party no yakese what do huni what you duties for all the 5 years. Yaw Boaben Asamoah. Enti constitution what kind of that? How can you call somebody while respecting the law, the constitution, the mother of law of your party? Okita sa requirement na constitution na ankasa bisa. How can you call that person a stranger? Are you stupid? Mudia mo Jimmy o. Papa mpanfo ni binu mo Jimmy joju na onti ase abusia mo mfa nche na this man is drunkard. Tesa mu bie ma no a enkwase akeka nkwa. Jimmy keka nkwa enkurase comment. Comment ya nyansa ba kuni no wonder can Japan call you waste sperm in the MPP. We are poor panyini. Yaw Boaben Asamoah. No wonder. Now this man is useless. You know why? Yaw Boaben Asamoah ebepe the MPP communication director adino. Maame na also a foreigner in the party friend. Maame Samira bawumia. Nyansa ni nimdie wura. Ahofani there is something I am fantunche. That is not what we are talking about. Maame ne nante bawo papa panyini oya oto constituency be ye campaign ma wodi nya communication director di. Esi wi ase e wo hoyi. So bi so nsa. E de ukwokyere enkwa. Enkwa yenso ne nsa mfa ne nkwokyere owuo. Maame na oye hoho no. Maame na oso na oye hoho no. Ono ne ba wo campaign o constituency obeye de mama wodi MPP communication director. And I mean bisao. The 15th wife of Kennedy Japan that time no wo hefa. Papa Yaw Boaben Asamoah. I didn't hear what hit me such a Saturday cool time. Yaw Boaben. Brana semina bawumia. Enante ya oba o constituency wa. Obey a good campaign, ma de winning your position that you were fighting for. No, one was your ho. I didn't hear one pam no now Jane 2 money year campaign mao. I brought him so your ho. Yaw, Aden, and sana no me na fremana. Near the red bee a gumana. Not tramador kakra a uremana. How can you make such a reckless statement of this character and of this nature, a discriminator from somebody like you? It is a shame. Yaw Boaben Asamoah, but you will be bear your head in shame. You are a disgrace. Yaw, okay, video way.
My remarks today.
Yaw, one who him, oh, seriously, oh, what him, I was but Kuromani party ni ba, now to America. Aye. Kennedy Japan yerena, osi onu mom na ye party ni ye man me di first lady a onu na se no fatano. Bra wo pe communication director di no. Who came to help you? Why na buy your bear campaign now? Yaw, I think say you've lost. Well, lose your integrity as a grown-ass man. Yaw Boaben, you have completely lose your integrity as a grown-ass man. Foolish. Hey, yaw. Mami onim no. Na him so ye huhu. Enti mami onye huhu. But you allow huhu to be a head of a table. Yedi ye campaign ma unyam jinabre. one MPP party. When I was city, when I was friend was set to say a benson. One was say I feel was yaw. Hey ya say no one that say wo utimi break the MPP communication down. Now Emma MPP communication gradually follow you because you are an incompetent man. I never knew say you are such an illiterate. Because comment to be a homemaker, you just have to be a fool, a foolish man, or you just have to be an illiterate before you can make such comments. So to consider Mami obey campaign man was a foreigner. Papa wajan and nice way campaign and fear mako. A do what a dunsia at the amount party. I'm what this on faso, friend foreigner there. Papa Yaw Boaben Asamoah. I think that same way I can Japan kafa honor. He meant well. You are a very stupid man, a wasted sperm. To
the party. No, you see, I've had a nice conversation. It's a waste to the party. No, you see, I've had a nice conversation with you, but if you bring it up,
please stay nice. But I mean, do you think that
whatever is a waste to the party? He is a waste to the party. I've told you everything that is going on. What role has he played? The problems we are facing in MPP with communication is because of Yaw Boaben Asamoah. His arrogance, he lost because of his arrogance at Adenta. And now he's coming out with a tweet. Please.
He actually said this this morning on apparently it's this morning on GTV.
Hey, you see the demonstration I'm going to make against him. You see what is happening in the party because they don't want the truth. Now they are taking some people out and demonstrations, fighting, all going on everywhere. Because of this election, these people a breed like Yaw Boaben Asamoah. That's the problem. What is Yaw Boaben Asamoah's contribution in the party? I want to know, Yaw Boaben Asamoah, what is his contribution?
I'd like you to make me a promise.
You know, it is because of Yaw Boaben Asamoah. If John Boadu from my hometown doesn't take time, he's going to lose because he did that to bring that Jack as communication director.
Okay.
He brought Yaw Boaben. He's a jack. Who the hell you think he is? Yaw Boaben Asamoah is a jack. And I tell you, he's a waste in the party. What is he doing for the party? Is it not the same Yaw Boaben Asamoah who came to my house in East Legon and begged like a kid?
Yaw Boaben. Enti Boaben Asamoah. Enipana uli when Dawson on the country say you are a waste in the MPP, you are nobody in the MPP. Yaw Boaben. When would Jimmy as an old man, grown-ass man, when would Kwasi asem? We are you see, you are greed. And first of all, you are also a beggar. Second of all, you are a waste. Yes, you a jerk. You a jerk, Yaw. No wonder you will come out and make such a ridiculous statement. Now, me come and want to say. Mona Maya Mose Moye old timers in the MPP. You want to be the front runners of the party in every course. Me say you guys will be disgraced in 2026, 31st January. We need people with competence. We need people with kind of your person men can't say we a waste. Ebian one video no TNBM. Listen.
What is Yaw Boaben Asamoah's contribution in the party? I want to know, Yaw Boaben Asamoah, what is his contribution?
I'd like you to make me a promise.
You know, it is because of Yaw Boaben Asamoah. If John Boadu from my hometown doesn't take time, he's going to lose because he did that to bring that Jack as communication director.
Okay.
He brought Yaw Boaben. He's a jack. Who the hell you think he is? Yaw Boaben Asamoah is a jack. And I tell you, he's a waste in the party. What is he doing for the party? Is it not the same Yaw Boaben Asamoah who came to my house in East Legon and begged like a kid?
Yaw Boaben. Minim say papa will who now. And I'm more about Bontra come Kwasiasem so there. Then it is over to you. But I can tell you an authority said you have lost any credibility in you. One Mayati says we have really waste, asking a Japan said to you time ago. That you are waste as MPP member because of what you said. Now, open more neighbor, my more video for French can Japan can't you? Or can some for who? I see
tell you something. The challenges youth organizer goes through. We are and our friend Crom fan phone. A whole lot of things, and I'm saying, please, you hear numbers, and I beg you, Montua Barman. I'm saying, now who can say, Winim Asamoah, or come farm, so forget about it. And you'll be on a power some more party, let's vote for him because of the party. One day, I got here, na safu furiously. Adea, I'll say, Oman FM focus ya Yaw Boaben Asamoah First Lady's office. Ena boy no kase honorable. Yehu Oman FM che. Hu mi acha meden o boss na otena wa odi di obi atem ne yi no. Me ma. Wow. Yeah. Yaw Boaben Asamoah before you became a minister. Ultimately na about by 11:30 p.m. Oman FM brought you to power. Also, they should forget about it and do it for him. What you say? Also, lose you. Opa, Mumisa identify for reason here. Tutia Yaw Boaben Asamoah. A browser communication director. I will now disseminate information, party projects, development, ecosystem. That's how to become the only and only station speaking for government. Now, your spokesperson say on Massa station, you know.
I say Bonibena station, yeah, you know.
I was saying, me Kasa didn't go for them any. Now, about to be a man. I did a MPP for. Me release announcce videos. Because I'm paying for no, and they starting. I'm advising them.
Yes, Auntie, this is what is about Yaw Boaben Asamoah. Or you're very useless. In fact, any panel or your campaign man and neno, or the homage in the con, so I'm hearing who you are, the can't find a honor. That is why you see Yaw Boaben Asamoah doing all this nonsense. Now, here we want to the Mukakra. Now, listen to this.
And I find that so awful, say, be a debate me. What you say? Because who will be doing what when it's and Nintinipa and same fata. But so yeah, Juma Maudia was a fata. The same person that who label on say on your Ghana because you give man ethnic tribe who say in free Ghana, or you could be Sunipa into a one fata for a campaign. That same person stood on your platform in 2016. One power you got position. Stood on campaign platforms in 2020. One power. I mean the Satan and no can win here. Namamusa Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah brought an Egyptian into this country. And then Uko Bonra, you were kente a friend of Fatia Fatan Nkrumah. You didn't to a friend. Of
course you do.
You be man. No, Asante me.
I see.
Who want to be or buy Asante Kukudu for you can tie a friend, sir. You can tie a friend, sir. But you come here, Bonra, to a friend Fatia Fatan Nkrumah. You can tell me. If you go to Zimbabwe, Sally, Mugabe's wife, Sally, she was a Ghanaian. We pride ourselves with that. If we do your internal contest, we malign people to say they said we won't nipa, but we want to enjoy from the fruit of their labor. Those people should bow their heads down in shame.
I see.
Because our party is a national party that must recognize every single person for the person's capabilities, not from where you come from, not from the tribe that you bear, not from the religion that you profess to. You and I, who knows at the end of the day where each person will go? And from which root do you sincerely be? I believe Christ is the Savior.
Right.
Somebody believes there is a God called Allah.
Exactly.
And you say because of that, another person. That is why I ask you, would all the 71% Christians vote for a Christian candidate when presented by us?
I see.
Yes, and the description of who Yaw Boaben Asamoah is. He's very useless. Say papa penyin on te say ebe bien anu aka asema ense na mfata eyanimguase kase pa to call someone a foreigner in a party after 16 years or you actively front runner of your party. It shows you how ridiculous your methodology of thinking is low. Yemto asuni yenko yanim abusia asemba ko yemi wonwa pa ne